English speaking practice. Common questions and answers in everyday life.
Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel. Yes, I love to travel.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings. Yes, I have 2 siblings.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's currently 3:30 p.m. It's currently 3:30 p.m.
What are you currently reading? What are you currently reading?
I'm reading One of Us is Lying, right now. I'm reading One of Us is Lying, right now.
Do you enjoy reading? Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I find reading very enjoyable. Yes, I find reading very enjoyable.
Do you play any musical instruments? Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano. Yes, I play the piano.
Do you prefer coffee or tea? Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea over coffee. I prefer tea over coffee.
Do you watch movies often? Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I watch movies quite often. Yes, I watch movies quite often.
Do you speak any other languages? Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I'm fluent in Spanish. Yes, I'm fluent in Spanish.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Pizza is my favorite food. Pizza is my favorite food.
Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I work out regularly. Yes, I work out regularly.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I work as a software developer. I work as a software developer.
What's your typical morning routine? What's your typical morning routine?
I start my day with a morning jog. I start my day with a morning jog.
Do you like to watch sunrise or sunset? Do you like to watch sunrise or sunset?
I absolutely love watching sunsets. I absolutely love watching sunsets.
What's your favorite outdoor activity? What's your favorite outdoor activity?
Hiking in the mountains is my favorite activity. Hiking in the mountains is my favorite activity.
Do you like rainy days? Do you like rainy days?
Yes, rainy days are cozy and nice. Yes, rainy days are cozy and nice.
Do you have a sweet tooth? Do you have a sweet tooth?
Yes, I have a sweet tooth and can't resist desserts. Yes, I have a sweet tooth and can't resist desserts.
Do you prefer summer or winter? Do you prefer summer or winter?
I'm more of a winter person. I love snow and cold weather. I'm more of a winter person. I love snow and cold weather.
What's your favorite way to relax? What's your favorite way to relax?
Reading a book with a cup of tea is my way to relax. Reading a book with a cup of tea is my way to relax.
Do you have a favorite restaurant? Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Definitely. Spice Avenue is my pick. Definitely. Spice Avenue is my pick.
Do you enjoy gardening? Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I have a small garden where I grow flowers and herbs. Yes, I have a small garden where I grow flowers and herbs.
Do you like strawberries? Do you like strawberries?
Yes, strawberries are delicious. Yes, strawberries are delicious.
What's your go-to comfort food? What's your go-to comfort food?
Ice cream is my comfort food. Ice cream is my comfort food.
Do you like to go to parties? Do you like to go to parties?
I like calm gatherings more than parties, because I'm quiet. I like calm gatherings more than parties, because I'm quiet.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog and a cat. Yes, I have a dog and a cat.
What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
Cats are my favorite animals. Cats are my favorite animals.
Do you like to dance? Do you like to dance?
Yes, I'm a fan of dancing. Yes, I'm a fan of dancing.
What's your dream travel destination? What's your dream travel destination?
My dream travel destination is Japan. My dream travel destination is Japan.
Do you like to go camping? Do you like to go camping?
Yes, camping is a great way to unwind. Yes, camping is a great way to unwind.
What's your favorite place you've visited? What's your favorite place you've visited?
Tokyo was my favorite place to visit. Tokyo was my favorite place to visit.
What's your idea of a perfect vacation? What's your idea of a perfect vacation?
Exploring a tropical island is my ideal vacation. Exploring a tropical island is my ideal vacation.
Do you like to go to the beach? Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love spending time at the beach. Yes, I love spending time at the beach.
What's your favorite place to eat? What's your favorite place to eat?
I love dining at a local Italian restaurant. I love dining at a local Italian restaurant.
What's your favorite type of cuisine? What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I'm a fan of Italian. I'm a fan of Italian.
What's your favorite dessert? What's your favorite dessert?
Ice cream all the way. Ice cream all the way.
Do you exercise regularly? Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I work out regularly. Yes, I work out regularly.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I work as a software developer. I work as a software developer.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at Amazon. I work at Amazon. Thanks for watching.